I'm going to be exploring the Surface Extrude function inside of xDesign on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. To start, I've already got a surface that is located in my graphics area. I'm now going to create a new surface by making a line in a different plane. I'm going to dimension the angle, as well as set how long I want the line to be. Now that that's done, I can go ahead and select on the sketch and extrude it. Once the extrude dialog box is open, I'm going to click on Surface. From there, you will see a yellow transparent graphic displaying where the surface will go. I can change the distance to whatever I would like it to be, making it blind, midplane, through all both ways, through all one way, up to geometry, up to next, and up to body, just like you're used to with extruding other normal objects. You also have the ability to set a second direction. For my second direction, I'm going to do a blind extrude as well and change the distance to 20. Notice that if you reverse the direction of direction 2, it actually removes material going in direction 1. Besides extruding direction 2 blindly, you can also do through one way, up to geometry, up to next, and up to body as well. Or just turn it off. Then going down to the Advanced tab, I can change my start condition to from offset, and offset at a certain distance from the sketch. Notice when I click on from offset, a robot appears, and I can click on the robot and drag it to whatever offset distance I want it to be around. My final start condition is from geometry. So if I had more geometry in my graphics area, I could start my surface extrude from where that geometry is. I also have the ability to add draft to my extrude. You can even set your extrude along a certain direction. I can click a different side of the surface that's already created and have my new surface extrude go along that new direction. See how creating an offset as well as adding a direction 2 is maintained from the new direction from the new edge. And lastly, you have the ability to merge the new surface with other bodies. Now go and explore the surface extrude function in xDesign today.